Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites, the only way plugin is installed, and you have a backup copy of your item database. Next, open the item editor panel and locate the exact item ID you intend to modify. Once done, switch the editor into edit mode so changes are tracked. This prevents accidental overwrites. Make sure to note current attribute values before changing them, because you will need those values if you must revert to the backup later. You will now perform the complex middle steps. First, lock the item record to prevent concurrent edits and enable versioning so you can compare revisions. Then, edit core attributes, name, type, numerical stats, and rarity or tag fields, using the plugin's inline validators to avoid invalid entries. Once edits are entered, run the preview or simulation tool to observe interactions. If formulas or scripts exist, test them here, because iterations cost less time in preview than in a full build process. Finish by committing the change with a clear message and pushing it to staging for broader validation, then trigger a build and test the item in its live context. Once deployed to staging, inspect runtime logs and behavior to confirm expected results. If something goes wrong, revert quickly to the snapshot or prior version, then isolate which field caused the failure by reapplying changes one at a time. A single troubleshooting tip. Always check console errors first. They usually point directly to the offending field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.